MSTR is trending and nosediving down, as you can see, roughly 9%. This is Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025. Let's see what's going on. Okay, the company has increased its Bitcoin holdings by 850 to 639,835 amid shareholder dilution worries. Okay, and a couple of capital group raised its stake in MicroStrategy to $6 billion. Yeah, the stock is nose diving. A couple of other things. Yeah, this is as Bitcoin has dropped below 112,000, and we know the stock tracks Bitcoin well, but there's also the high short interest the stock has. Here, Google is saying that MSTR has a history of high short interest with data from early 2024 indicating that 84% of crypto stock bearish bets were concentrated in MSTR and Coinbase, amongst other things. Okay, so lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 30th, and then after that we may get a bounce. Okay, and let's see, and it may hold up till Tuesday the 14th of October, and then well, all in all, I think the bounce is expected to. It's more of the trend of the bounce is to the upside. Let's see if it's going to hold, if it's going to help, if it's going to hold, if it's going to pan out that way. But you know, that probability is not there, not very high. That it will trace this extrapolation. It may be something else totally. Okay, projections are saying 266.28, 287.88, 322.84. Selling pressure is okay, bearish right now. It's very bearish on all metrics on the 10 and 21 day moving averages. Okay, so okay. So if we don't have a look at Bitcoin, then we might get a lot of criticism. So we better do so. BTC, we'll try Coinbase. Okay, here similar. Let me see. We have okay. Here's 30th of Saturday that is expected to bounce, but the extra. Okay, see the trend on the bounce trend on. Not that we should really, they should really correlate as such, but Bitcoin, sorry, MSTR tracks Bitcoin. Okay, so the trend of the extrapolation is to the upside, whereas that of Bitcoin is to the downside. Okay, let's see. So projections are saying 100, 101, 100, 100 and 100,715, 94,113, 90,034. The price is currently 108,844. This is the daily chart. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. Extrapolation is saying that a bounce will occur and stay strong up till Friday's pre-market session. Projections to the upside, the thing they're saying 107. No, not to the upside, they're to the downside. Nothing to the upside currently. Yeah, 107, 107. Okay, no. Let's see, 107,067, 104,000, 102,000. Yeah, currently, yeah, that's what the projections are saying. Selling pressure is also amplified as well. It's a lot more amplified here on the daily chart, on the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's see what the extrapolation is saying. Yeah, sideways movement up till Tuesday the 30th pre-market session. Let's see whether it says the same thing with MSTR. No, it's different. It's more of a decline, more of a dip, and then a bounce. So lower prices are at least expected to be sustained up till Monday, the midday, Monday the 29th on Bitcoin on MSTR. Projections are saying to the upside 337.4. Okay, lower prices are no sorry selling pressure is all the way through here, but we have positive derivatives indicating that people are indeed buying the dip on MSTR. Let's see whether we have any fresh news coming up here. Let's see. Okay, let's see what this is saying. 2 hours ago, stocks under pressure as a strong economic reports boost the bond yields. Let's see. Do we have anything on Bitcoin on MSTR? There might be something there, but yeah. Okay, so what are we concluding? Yeah, okay. Yes, there's a good chance lower prices may continue to print. I think one other thing we can do is apply the market grid, and it will give us an indication of what is expected. This will be on the this is on the 4 hour chart, but it may not be the best. We'll apply it on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so okay, extrapolation is saying that lower prices will keep on printing. Let's see what the market grid is giving us. It has the price is currently 293, and the stock is the stock is in this support zone. So yes, lower prices may continue to print. Yeah, there's a good chance that may be the case. Yeah, this is just because it's in the support zones. The trajectory is to the downside. Gravity is pulling it down, so it may continue to test lower prices. And the buys and the I did buying as well. We saw that. I think we saw that on the. I think we saw that on the daily chart, one of those. But yeah, lower prices may continue to print, and it may get a bounce at some point. Yeah, the bounce is, or rather, it's may bottom at some point. But um, we're looking at possibly Friday's pre-market session, as according to what we have here on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so lower prices, yes, are likely to continue to print. Okay, based on what we have here on the 1 hour chart, and indeed, that's also what we saw on the 4 hour chart. Let's have a look again on the 4 hour chart and see. Let's have a look again. It's saying, yeah, here it's saying we can see they are positive. The 2 second derivatives are positive, indicating that people are buying the dip. So yes, the market grid will show that the stock is already the price is already out of the market, out of the grid, and when it's out of the when it's trading below the grid, yes, it's what it implies is that a rebound will occur, may occur. At the same time, expect lower prices to keep printing. So in the midst of all of that, it's more of it's more of a regime of lower prices, but expect a rebound to also occur as well. So, and we're clearly seeing that people are buying the dip as well. So, yeah, let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.